Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious macaroni salad. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through cooking the macaroni to perfection, making sure it's al dente and properly cooled. Finally, we'll craft a creamy, flavorful dressing and combine everything for a truly satisfying dish. Get ready to create a crowd-pleasing classic. Achieving the perfect texture for your macaroni is crucial. Begin by boiling your elbow macaroni in a large pot with plenty of salted water. Cook it for approximately 7 to 9 minutes, aiming for an al dente, tender crisp bite. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents stickiness. Ensure it's completely drained and cooled before moving to the next step. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. For your mix-ins, finely dice 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Don't forget 1/2 cup of shredded carrots and 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs for extra texture and richness. With all your components ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently combine the completely cooled macaroni with your creamy, flavorful dressing. Carefully fold in all the vibrant diced vegetables and the chopped hard-boiled eggs, ensuring everything is evenly coated. Once mixed, cover the salad tightly and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your delicious macaroni salad chilled and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.